welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a new week's video. I'm shooting a fashion content about some cargo pants and different tops and shoes. So that's what I'm doing right now. It's on a Monday, yeah, and it's at 4:19. On which date? On 3rd June. Let me show you the type of weather I'm shooting the content in. It's quite dark, it looks scary. Let me show you. This is how it looks outside. It's like foggy, it's quite dark. Can you look at that? It's even raining, the weather is dull. Yo, can you feel it? And this is the second round for today, and I can't feel even the cold when filming. I know the video will be quite dull because I was filming it earlier. It was okay, the camera was okay, but this is the only free time I have to film the fashion video, so it will be quite dark. So because of this weather anyway. Yep. See you on the next clip. Look at it. Look at it. It's raining. Can you feel it? It's raining. Can you feel? So I've come for the cows in the evening. Those are some ducks swimming. You gotta see them. They're swimming here in this water. Yeah, and there are different kinds. One was here in this dam, and then it has flown to that side. Can you see them? Can you spot the difference? Yep. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe. Yep. So today is on a Friday. Last time we picked the camera, I think it was on a Monday. It's Monday, I think so. So it's a good morning. It's a good Friday, Freaky Friday, and I've just cleaned the house. I have a lot of activities to do during the day, and I will show you each one of them. So we are continuing with the vlog. Yep, stick here. So as you can see, I've just cleaned the floors. They are quite clean and still wet, and I'm stepping on them with nice good socks. I can't even feel the wetness. Anyway, I'll show you what I'll be up to. Guys, I want to arrange firewood there so that they can dry, and I want to take you through the process. We use firewood to cook. We also have a maple. Yeah, so let me show you. This is it. Like that. bunnies. Another one. Guys, I've come to fetch water from this tank. Yup, here with this 2020 and go fill our water jars. So this is the tank water. We come for drinking one here, and then we will go for the other one from the borehole. The other work is done with the borehole water. Yep. Can you imagine the call falling in then it's an Android? Because show you these little ones. They are a lot. They are a lot. They are a lot. They are everywhere. Everywhere. Tell me why when I see these things I raise my hands up and say hi. Can you see me? Hi. Isn't this childish behavior? And there's a time I used to see them and then say, that's my husband passing, and there were cousins around 2020. And then one day when I was far, they shouted it. They were denied. Look at it. These are what we see up. There are a lot of planes, helicopters that pass around here. That's so fancy. Zoom, 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 zoom. It's quite far. Zoom, 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 zoom. Bye. These things have decided to become a nuisance. Let's pray again. Let's pray again with them. I want to pray. Yeah, my Lord. I think they are quite hungry. Oh Lord, it's the other bunch. The other shenanigans you just saw was in between me going for water and coming to put it in the jars. So let me show you. One is full and then the other one will be like half. Let me show you. Then we have this I'm keeping in here. So, guys, it's time for my breakfast. I just felt hungry. It's 12:36. So I decided, because I am a foodie, I eat real food, healthy food, but I eat a lot. So I told myself I'll be eating when I feel hungry. So right now I felt hungry, so I'm eating my breakfast. What do you think my breakfast is? The weirdest. I'm eating the child, the product, and the protein that will go with it. So it's the maize, the ugali, and then the beans that will take them together. So that's my breakfast and tea. I'll show you. my plate. And don't laugh in the comment section. That's my food. So the last time I ate was yesterday at 4, which was the last day at 4. Today is a Friday and I'm eating at almost 1. So the food will be ready by something 12:45. Yep. That is the time you'll see me. That's the time I'll be eating. You, how many are those hours? I heard it's called intermittent fasting or whatever. Anyway, see you when I show you my plate. Soup. It's quite dirty. It's quite sour. The soup. Yep. Guys, you'll see me deciding to sweep before showing you my food. You can't stay idle in our home, as in the village. Your mind is always running. What should I do next? So my head is running right now and telling me to sweep outside before my food gets warm. Let me show you where I'm warming it. Then maybe sweep as it warms or eat before it warms. We'll see. You're here. Yeah. It's warming up. My plate has the gari with the okoko. Mokoro is a must. Whatever you call this. This is my food. I'm eating the main, the baby of the maize, which is the ugali. Which one is the mother and which one is the baby? And then the beans to go down with it. So just think it's ugali and beans, but the mother is around to supervise. Yep. And the soup. My food, my food. Guys, I just swept. It's clean. And look what I have around. My dear rain is here. Look how foggy it wants to be. So I'm asking myself, is it rain? Is it fog? But the rumbling, the dark skies tells us different story. The fog also tells us another story. That's fog and some rain. So this is our day-to-day life. Did it stop raining, my guys? Because I never hear people talking about rain anymore. It is not just intense as it was, because it's intense as it was before. It's still muddy, but it has not rained for 2 days anyway. So I don't know if the rain today will be serving for the 2 days that missed. Yup. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my breakfast. An avocado toast with eggs. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, Ashante. Jesus. Hi, it's another day on a Saturday. I just showed you my breakfast, which was an avocado toast. Yeah, that was eaten in a hurry. Because what? Your girl is a laundry girl. Your girl is a wash mama fua wash lady. Because tell me why I'm washing clothes every other Saturday on school weeks for 13-year-olds. It's quite not sad. It's just an obligation or something I should do. I don't know. So I'm washing clothes as usual. And if you have watched me before, it rains early. When I'm washing clothes, either wash bit by bit or when I'm at the end it rains. So I don't know about today. So I'm about to start washing clothes. It's I think 11:15, yeah, on a Saturday, on Flametel on 8th June. Yep. My sister's birthday month. Yeah, the one I'm washing clothes for. The 13-year-old. Mama Fua on the run. Anyway, her clothes are more than mine, but my mother had gone through her clothes through the week. So I'm washing a bit of hers and more of mine today. I'm a happy girl. Anyway, I dread this day. I'd never like it. I was always bitter. Let me tell you, I was always bitter when I was younger. And you know, I'm a firstborn, so I was always bitter. I used to go work with all the people when my siblings were all here. My brother is not around, and then my cousin was also here. And then tell me why I had to come and cook for the people we were with in the shamba when doing that other work. I used to be bitter. I used to wash clothes from like morning to evening. I've improved. I love myself too much. So I'm gonna wash the clothes. Nowadays I'm not bitter that much, but I dread the day anyway. Washing clothes is not one of my things, and that's one of the things that are making me not get mad. Because I'm not about to wash people's clothes. I'm about to give myself a washing machine because I don't like this. So let me show you my laundry. That's mine, and I've not gotten my sister's. So let me show you. That's my laundry. Yeah, that's mine. I've not gotten my sister's. Can you see the views? Is your place this beautiful? Is your place this beautiful? Tell me. Hi guys, it's a Sunday, and guess who looks as if it's winter? It's me. Yo, that's my face. That's my face. That's my face. That's me. Can you see the background? So today is always a busy day. We are always up to. It's Let me tell you the shenanigans that happen around today morning. I can't even film. So right now I want to show you how our winter looks like in Kenya, in the village, around the Aberdare ranges. Let's see. So this is late. So this is love. Can you see the fog? It's quite foggy. It's quite foggy. Yo, quite foggy. Good morning, Kenya. Good morning, Africa. Good morning, world. Guess who just woke up with an energy? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, I've just woken up. Look at my puffy morning face. But can't I just wake up and just leave? I've not washed the face. So, I just woke up. And guess what? I'm not about to drink breakfast. I'm about to go for water. There's no water around here. And it has been raining. And when the rain ceases, no water for us. I think that should be an investment. Should my first salary, either when I get employed or when I hit a milestone here, should I get a tank? Tell me, tell me, tell me. So this is me. I'll see you through the day. And can you see my nails? Oh, I saw someone say, oh, the natural girlies with them nails come here to tell us that you want to see my nails. They're so cute. Can you believe it? They're natural. Yeah, I'll show you to your face. They're natural. And then this is one hand. I know. Let me show you the other one. another one. I'm a camouflage. Bye, guys. I'm back, guys. I'm back. I forgot to tell you it's a good Monday. Blue Monday. The corporate girls and men work. So just woke up at 10. Me, I'm happy for the season I am in. I hope you're happy for the season you are in. At home, at my parents' house, happy for this season because I know when it comes to another season, I'll be suffering. But now, let me enjoy waking up at 10. Being given everything. Hope you're happy for your season because it won't last. God is giving you this one so that you'll get to another one and He's preparing you for another season. Yeah, preacher for the day, word of the day. Be happy for the season you are in. Thank God for the season you are in because He will grant you another season. He is still preparing you for another season, even when in this one. Even if it's in a difficult one, He is preparing you for a better one. If you are in a happy season, He's preparing you for a more happier season. Even if you are happy and then it comes for a stressful one, you are given a chance to be happy. You are being prepared to be happy and be able to, be able to handle the stressful one. Yep. Guys, my daily Monday breakfast. Are you ready for it? Or are you tired? But I'm not tired to show you. So here it goes. Exactly. Guess what? I'm putting today in the middle to make my roll. Just wait for it. This is what I have in my wrap, guys. Them commanders. I don't command. Them commanders. It's here. The most expensive green grams around here. Rentils. These are not green grams. Rentils, or wherever you call them. Yeah. And you know what comes after, yeah? Wrapping it. And when it's crunchy. So that's my breakfast. See you on the next one.